Alt R. This meeting is being task switching to downloads.
Hi, it's Dr. Robinson, and today I'm going to show you how to change an ePUB and open it in a browser so it reads as an HTML document. This has been a request of one of my students, so she can open it, read it in HTML. She much prefers that versus reading it any other way, though you can also use Codex and change it to a perfect layout in Word with headings and links also, but everybody has their preferences, and this is what hers is. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go into F2. We're going to not change the name, but change the extension from ePUB to zip. And then we're going to extract it. And then I'll take you from there. So
Tech vision, reflect and relate fifth underline ePUB left.
Here we go. F2.
Brightness level 100.
Oop,
F2, edit, reflect and relate fifth.
Right arrow.
P, blank.
Erase ePUB.
B, U, P, E.
Type in zip.
Z, I, P.
Hit enter.
Zip, enter. Rename dialog. If you change a file name extension, the file might become unusable. Are you sure you want to change it? Yes button.
It's always going to give you that warning, so you're going to hit enter and say, yes, you do.
Enter. Reflect and relate fifth underline ePUB left parent 1 right parent dot.
Now we need to hit our applications key or right click and extract it.
Applications. Context menu. T. Extract all dot dot dot. Enter. Leaving menus. Downloads. Items view multis. Enter. Cancel button. To activate press spacebar 1%.
It's a large book, so give it a minute.
Not checked unavailable. Extract compressed left parent zip right parent folders. Next button to activate press spacebar Alt plus N. C : /users back.
Another folder opens with 3 files, and I want the OEBPS file.
OEBPS 2 of 3.
And enter and open it.
Enter. Shell folder view. Items view list box. To move to an item.
You have 3 more files and 2, well, technically 3 folders and 2 files, but I want the XHTML, so I'm going to hit X.
XHTML 3 of 5.
And hit enter and open it.
Enter. Shell folder view. Items view list box. To move to an item.
And here we have 118 items. The book has completely been torn apart in between chapters. I'm going to go ahead and quickly go down to chapter 2 to show how beautifully this reads.
MCC underline 9781319103323 underline CH02.XHT.
CH02, chapter 2. Let's go ahead and hit enter. Now, when you first hit enter, it's going to ask you, how do you want to open this? And you're going to choose whichever browser you want to have open this. And make sure you do not have the box checked that says do this for every single file, because it'll change your defaults and you may want other defaults. You can change that any other time you want to. Let's hit enter and open it.
Enter. Internet Explorer. Chapter 2, Considering Self in Reflect and Relate: An Introduction to Interpersonal Communication. A photo shows an abstract painting that contains words forming a spiral. The chapter title reads 2: Considering Self. Text over it reads, by deepening your self-understanding, you can begin to clarify your thoughts and feelings about yourself. Graphic. 5 regions, 2 headings and 8 links. Chapter 2, Considering Self in Reflect and Relate: An Introduction to Interpersonal Communication. Heading Level 2. Chapter 228, Considering Self. A photo shows an abstract painting that contains words forming a spiral. The chapter title reads 2: Considering Self. Text over it reads, by deepening graphic your self-understanding, you can begin to clarify.
And you can hear just how perfectly flawless this is. You have regions, you have headings, you have links, every single thing that you need and want in a book to quickly navigate it and find what you want. So that is how you take an ePUB and make it an HTML so you can read it in a browser. Thank you and hope that helped.
Alt Q.
OEBPS /XHTML. To move to an item, press the arrow keys. Items view.